street in central Melbourne where B-double trucks are passing within a metre or so of people standing on the footpath. Light, there you go. Light. Okay, standing in City Road at Southbank, maybe the only main street in central Melbourne where heavy-duty trucks are coming this close to the footpath. It's too dangerous for fuel trucks to go through the Burnley Tunnel, but they're able to come down the second most densely populated suburb of Australia, apparently. Liquid. Let's see what else is coming. Southbank. Blocking the road here, and there's another one coming the other way. Here we go. Heavy transports, fuel trucks. Southbank is the second most densely populated suburb in Australia, and this is what the road running through it looks like. Fuel tanker held up at the pedestrian crossing. City Road, Southbank, the second most densely populated suburb in Australia, with fuel tankers driving through the main boulevard in our suburb, a metre from people standing on the footpaths. It's too dangerous for the fuel trucks to go through the Burnley Tunnel, but they're perfectly okay to drive down the main boulevard of the most densely populated suburb, second most densely populated suburb in Australia. Doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Down the street where Jacinta Allan lives, or whoa, here he comes. Gave me a wave. This is one of the most dangerous pedestrian crossings in the city. I've witnessed fuel trucks. Fuel trucks galore. B-double tippers.